Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use RetroArch on Apple TV. So first, what you need to do is to download the RetroArch app from the App Store on your Apple TV. And then launch the app on your Apple TV and ensure your Apple TV and the device you'll use to upload games like a computer or smartphone are on the same network. And then open the RetroArch and follow the on-screen instructions to access the file loading screen. Then use the provided local IP address or the Apple TV's name, followed by .local in your web browser. Navigate to the Downloads folder and upload your ROM files. And then, in RetroArch, go to Load Content and select the Downloads folder. Choose your game and select the appropriate emulator core to start playing. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.